Good morning, folks. My name is Rich White with Guarantee RV. Today I'm going to be showing you a brand new 2019 Arctic Fox 1150 camper. Very nice camper. It's the largest Arctic Fox that Northwood builds. Let's take a look inside. This comes equipped with the Fox Landy, which makes entry and exit very easy and very nice. The 1150 is a dry bath camper with a separate shower from the bathroom. It's got really nice storage space in it, some linen, a drawer, another cabinet right down here, nice toilet paper holder, porcelain toilet, fan in the bathroom, and a skylight over the shower. Of course, it comes equipped with air conditioning, a small solar panel just for keeping your battery up. In the Galley you have a gas grill top, gas oven, nice backsplash, single basin stainless steel oversized sink, Moen faucets, AM/FM with the CD player. You've got drawers here, little storage here for spices, some storage underneath your sink, and you've got a nice pull-out pantry. And another cabinet below the pantry. The Arctic Fox is well known for its headspace in your sleeping area. It's got lots of headspace in the sleeping area. Got a cabinet over here. Little storage underneath here. You've got shirt closets on both sides. Another wardrobe over here. More wardrobe right here with drawers. Another spice rack. It's got the 7 cubic foot Northwood adjustable temperature refrigerator freezer. The easy fold down table, just pushes down, pulls up, very easy to make a bed. Of course, all LED lighting. You've got some storage underneath your dining booth, and then a drawer on this side. Some storage here. Let's go to the exterior of the camper. I'm not going to take the step off, but you do have, it's got a heated enclosed tanks with a nice, probably at least a 4-foot sliding tray that comes out for drawer for storage. Comes equipped with the 2.5 Cummins Owen generator. This particular camper has a backup camera on it. It's got an electric awning in the rear here. Of course, electric remote control jacks. The oversized 7-gallon propane. This is just plumbing access here. Batteries are on a slide-out tray. It'll come equipped with 2 new batteries. All your panels are on magnets, so you don't have the little hinges to hold them open. Very nice. Folks, we only get a few of these a year. They're a great camper. We'd love to have you come in, take a look. We've got plenty of selection, not only in the 1150s, but many other models too. You can reach me. My name is Rich White at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.